Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today I'm looking at the SUDOTACK ST820 USB condenser microphone, good for podcasting, live streaming. It's a condenser type microphone with a stand. As you can see, it's a full kit there. It comes with an aluminium case as well. Some information there: USB 2.0 plug and play, no drivers required, desktop stand included. He has a 16mm large mic capsule, polar pattern cardioid, full metal case, compatible with Windows and Mac. Some more information on this side, specifications and things like that. You could pause the video there if you want. And there showing everything that's included, which I will of course show you. There's the case. It comes in an aluminium case, good quality case that. It's got some feet there so you don't scratch your desk. Same on this side. The bottom there, it's got some extra bit of plastic, hard plastic padding so you won't scratch your surface when you put it down. Okay, let me open it. There you go, everything inside. That's got foam in there as well, so it's well padded for transporting. You get an instruction manual showing you how to put it together and some information there. First thing, you get a windscreen foam one. I won't be using this, I'll only be using the pop filter. So that's the shock mount. Let me just take it out. There you go, shock mount. And it's got some foam bit of padding there as well, so if you do bang your desktop or anything, it'll be okay. You've got your full size USB to the mini USB. That end would of course go into the microphone and load into your PC. That's the stand. I'll show you that in a bit. Let's take a look at the microphone. So nice metal case in there, SUDOTACK branding. So remember, when you speak into the part that says SUDOTACK, because that's where the capsule is, and you'll be able to pick your voice up better. At the bottom there, that's the port for the USB, would fit in there, the bottom one end of the USB, and go then to your PC. Good metal case in there, feels nice, good quality. A bit of gel beads there, don't know why they've put that in. Okay, let me remove that. There's your pop filter there at the bottom. You can see there, good for your peas, Peter, pepper, pickle, good for things like that. That's the actual stand bit. It does have nice weight to it, that, so you won't easily get knocked over from your desk. I do really like the case, really good for taking it around with you. If you're out and about, you could use this on your laptop. If you could use a microphone with your laptop, you could take your laptop and the case with you. Okay, let's put part of the stand together now. So let me just fit this in first. So make sure it's nice and secure. Just keep twisting it. There you go, nice and secure. Now that bit can be adjusted as well. So if you just twist it around, you can adjust the height of it, depending if you want it up or if you want it down. Once you've decided where you want it, just tighten it from the bottom there on the side. Now let's put on the shock mount. So the shock mount will just screw in at the top there. Just loosen that and just speed this part up. Because that's on nice and secure now. So you can angle that either way, back or forward, wherever you want it, and just tighten the dial there. Now the actual microphone itself. Now remember, as I mentioned before, where it says SUDOTACK, make sure that part's at the front where you speak. You just pinch them two things there and then you could fit into the shock mount. So there you go, that's fully assembled. Now all I need to do is connect the wire, and then I'm going to use the pop filter. I'm not using the windscreen. So one end there and one end would go at the top there. And it's done. So there we are, my friends. That was the SUDOTACK ST820 with the aluminium case. Great for portability, good for live streaming, voiceovers, Skype. I bought it for doing voiceovers on my YouTube videos. Do let me know what you think of the audio, because the whole video was recorded using the SUDOTACK microphone. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. I'll see you all in my next video.